Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add email contacts on your Google Chrome. All you have to do just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on settings, then it's going to take you in this window. Just click here on sync, then it's going to take you in this window. Just go down, then you click here on Google Activity Controls here, and it's going to take you to next step. So just waiting to open video like this. You go down and you click here on say all activity controls here, and it's going to take you to next. You just go down here and you click here on go to your Google account. So when you click here, it's going to take you to next step here, which was so your email here you want to add. So in here you go up, you click here on personal info, and when you click here on app, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, then you click here on email. So then it's going to take you, just go down and you come here to contacts email. You click here. So in here, so you have this email contacts, this email in here. If you want to add other email, just click here and add other email you want to contact. So just click or contacts email, just click add it here, and you click here on add, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.